I got 271 over 300 in my A-level biology exam, and this is how I beat the examiner. Okay, so we've got this practical question. Devise an investigation using a respirometer to find the optimum temperature for respiration in maggots. Now, whenever we have a practical question, start with the variables. Control, what do we keep the same? I'd say something like maybe the age of the maggots. Literally anything to do with the maggots will do here. Mass, size, species, gender, anything like that. Cool. Now, dependent variable. What do we want to measure? Well, it's going to be the distance traveled by the bubble, right? That's what we're going to measure. Now, what do we need to change? It's going to be temperature as an independent variable. And whenever you mention temperature, I'm always going to say water baths between maybe like, what's appropriate for here would be 5 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Always mention a range, always mention water baths whenever you're talking about temperature. Easy marks to pick up. Now, next part, let's talk equipment. Maggots, water bath, soda lime to absorb the carbon dioxide, and the actual respirometer. I'm happy. Let's move to the procedure. Now, the procedure is where you get to show off that you've done this practical, that you know the nuances of the practical. Something like this: put apparatus in a water bath, wait for the maggots to acclimatize. That could be a mark. Set a 10-minute timer, record how far the bubble travels. Cool. Now, when we're getting an optimum temperature, we need to look. If you imagine a graph, the point at which it starts to go down tells you that enzymes are denatured. So, for our recordings, the temperature, say it's 25 degrees Celsius, where the distance starts to fall. That means that the one before that is going to be optimum. So that's what that next point is saying. Then, guys, this last one will always get you marks on the practical question, yeah? Repeats. Repeats. People forget this all the time. Repeat. I normally say 3 times. And I also say calculator mean. Any sort of statistical test as well. Spearman's rank, chi-squared, anything like that. If it's appropriate, just mention it. You can pick up a couple marks. Cool. That's how I'd approach that question.